Hey guys, Extreme here. Today a I made a world and yeah, I made a world. So I'm just doing a tour on my new world. So yeah, here's the house. It's laggy. Alright. So yeah, when you go outside here, you can see here's my like farm, and here are all of my other items. Here's the seeds, and here's the wait, I forgot what's that. Then here's the melon seeds, and here's the pumpkin seeds. So here's the cactus, and here's the here's the sugar canes. So I put some cobblestone wall so that no mobs can go in my house or in my farm. Then here's the outside. There, that's the exit. So there. And congratulations, guys! We already reached 168 views on by changing mode cheat. And please subscribe. I already got 3 subscribers. So yeah, that's it. So let me go back to my house. There's a sky block there. And there's a whole overhang here. Where's my house? There are lots of overhangs here. Where's my house? And that's a big overhang there. Where's the house? Oh, there. So if you wanna make this, you can make it. I just used wood, red wool, snow, blue wool, black wool, then lots of wood and glass panes, torch, torches, then I mean glowstone and some sugar, cause we need paper, then quartz, then a bed, and I'll make this a. I'm going to switch this to survival mode. Then I could do some videos with this world instead of the other one. So again, thanks for watching.